Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by ensuring OneNote is installed and signed in. Open the app, sign in with your Microsoft account so sync works, and pick OneDrive as the notebook location to avoid local loss. Once done, create a new notebook and name it for the project. This gives a clean workspace. Make sure sync is enabled so changes transfer across devices. If you prefer, pin OneNote to the taskbar for quick access, and open a new section to begin capturing notes immediately. Now you'll build structure. Create sections for major topics and pages inside them for each note. Type or use a pen to write freeform. Insert images, audio, or screenshots to enrich content. Use templates for consistent layouts and apply tags like to do or important so you can filter later. Once pages exist, use the search box to find text inside images or audio transcriptions. Make sure to drag and drop pages between sections to reorganize quickly as your notebook grows. Finish by syncing and sharing. Open notebook settings and invite collaborators with view or edit permissions, and confirm changes sync to OneDrive. If someone reports missing updates, force a sync from the View menu or Notebook settings. When sync stalls, sign out and sign back in. Check for app updates via Microsoft Store and restart Windows. This resolves most issues. If problems persist, move the notebook to a new OneDrive folder and reopen it in OneNote to rebuild the sync index.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.